Hello everyone, welcome to our biology class today. Do you ever wonder how and why things are made the way they are? For example, the computer and the mouse, or the airplane. Today we are going to look at a thinking routine called parts, purposes, and complexities. But before we are going to do the activity, I want you guys to prepare the materials needed for our lesson today. A paper, pencil for drawing, colored pen or markers for writing, and eraser. Okay, are you ready? For today's lesson, we are going to look at an image of something that is made up of parts. So using your paper, I want you to write down 2 to 3 different things that you observe about the object or the image that is shown on your screen right now. Once you have written down your observation, we will proceed to the next section, which is the parts. So in this section, all you have to do is to draw all the parts of the object and label them. Even if you don't know the name, try to give it a name or make up a name for each part. Once you're done with the drawing and the labeling, we can now proceed to the purposes. So for each part you labeled, describe the purpose of that part. What does each part do? If you don't know the exact purpose of that part, then try to think of its purpose. What do you think is the purpose or the function of that part? And oh, by the way, you have to use a new color of pen or marker in this section of the activity. And just to make sure that you organize your thoughts. Once you have given all of the purposes of each part, we can now move to the final part, which is complexities or the questions or the puzzles. What questions do you have about the parts, purposes, or object as a whole? Or what do you want to know about how this object works? Again, take note, you have to use a new color of pen or marker here just to differentiate the purposes, the complexities, and the parts section. When you're done with the complexities or the questions or the puzzles, then we can proceed to our main class discussion.